I just did a wolf shift, and it was really cringy because all our freaking wolf shifts are cringy, but mine are the cringiest. Anyways, my butt crack was showing because my pants don't fit me. So, ew. I even put in the title, sorry, my crack was showing. But I have my tail on. And my tail has a rattle in it. I just pulled it off. I'm sitting on it. Because that's what dogs do. I'm not a dog, I'm a wolf. Sometimes I'm a dog, sometimes Ruby's here. It's not Ruby anymore. It's Ichigo. So I'm gonna do my Therian noises, just my wolf noises. That's it. So first off is the howl, and if you don't know how to howl properly, you cup your hands like this and you go like this. Oh. My howl sucks. Oh. My howl sucks. Well, not really. What the hell is that? Well, how am I gonna do my noises, my wolf noises if Sherry's doing that? Okay, then there's my growl. I used to be the most cringy Therian on the internet back when I first figured out I was a Therian. That was a long time ago. Actually, not that long ago. It was like 3 years ago. I don't know. But I was way cringier back then I am now. And I hate that word. I use it too much. And then there's a bark, which wolves bark a little bit, but not a lot. No whine. I'm terrible at dog or canine whines, but here I go. I guess it's okay. I'm just too hard on myself. And that's my wolf noises, and I'm gonna stop being creepy and cringy and freaking retarded. Bye.